Okay, world history students, Todd Sherwood here. I wanted to go through with you what Canvas looks like for this class. So I've gone to the student view on Canvas, give you a quick idea of how we're going to use this for the class. I apologize for the glasses. I'm old. They help me see. Okay, so here's the front page. It has some good information for you. It has my email address, office hours, when you can get a hold of me. And if you need anything more than that, obviously just email me. I'm generally checking my email all the time. So unless I got something going on pressing, I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But if you need to schedule something, don't hesitate to reach out. There's the Zoom links. And then I have the four main things that we use. If you want to meet me and see what you're going to do for your first assignment, see an example of it, you can click that and it'll take you to a video. And then modules, calendar, syllabus. If you want to look at the syllabus and see what's going on in the class, you can. The most important and vital thing that you need to get used to and in the habit of looking at is modules. So if you click on modules, this is what you got to get used to. Every day, there's an agenda for the day of what we're going to do in class, and then any other links that you might need for that class will also be in the module. So every day we'll have an agenda. So for instance, if we click on day one we'll have a welcome introduction via Zoom. We'll review some things on Canvas again. And then we'll say, what are we doing for the day? And I try to link everything here so you can click on it to know what you need to do. We have questions plus attendance, one slide. And then I try on every day to put a to-do list. Here's what you need to do in class. Get these things done. And that way you'll be all right with it. Now, there's other things that you can use eventually. If there's files of readings or other tools that you need, we'll post that as well. But if you really get in the habit of modules and checking that and being up to date with modules every day, it'll link you to the assignments. It'll link you to the readings. It'll link you to whatever we're doing for that day. I'm going to start getting in the habit, and this is something you can help me with, of putting, okay, when are we meeting on the calendar? When are we not meeting on the calendar? And start looking at, okay, what are we doing this week for our lessons? But I'm excited. We're going to make this work. It'll be interesting to do this all online, but we'll want to get you guys going. So when in doubt, go to the modules, see what we're doing for the day, see what's on the to-do list, and we'll be good to go. Can't wait to see you guys on Zoom on Monday, September 14th.